Not.
Marshy and jungle, lychee, and see, and that side is beautiful amri. Oh, hala langsung puluh tangke. English le lo lagi. Hala long langsung puluh deh. Oh, parting telo. Hala kong kelong ton pamanji puluh hela cek. The same representative is been selected for the 4 and 5 times altogether. Still at the present, he is the representative of this Chintong constituency, Mr. Pradeep Rangpi. And he don't take any care. He don't take any care to the villages. It says that the village people says that he used to come for a campaign only during the election times, and after the elections, he never turns back, and the village people don't see his face. So that's the comments the village people have provided to us, and that's why through the media today we are requesting all the ministers of the Assam and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council all together to see the conditions of these simple village people. See, every village they have the connection road, and representative, he promised to construct the road construction, the connecting road construction from one village to the other, and till now not even a single sign was seen the construction work. So that's why the village people are really feeling very sad to know that, and we came together to see what is the reality of these people are facing here. They have many facilities. I can request Hancho to zoom the areas, the cultivation areas, what the people used to earn. So these are the broom cultivations they do here. Gingers you can see here, and orange cultivation also they used to do, and these are the commercial products the people used to cultivate here, and that is the source of their livings. So to sell those things, the commercial things, the brooms or the ginger or whatever, they find difficulties due to no road connections. If they happen to provide the road connections, really the people will have the sound economic conditions here. We know that. That's why we request the representative and the council members to see the conditions of these village people and make the proper road, the village link road from one village to the another. This is the village scenery of Achomkimi, which is the village established from the time of British, before the independence. Now today, 2020, India have already celebrated its 74th years of independence. Still now, the village Achomkimi, they don't have any such modern facilities in the village. They don't have any facilities of the water supply. They don't have electricity. Irregularly they used to have, and such no other than that they don't receive any facilities in the villages. So this is very exciting for all of us to know together the life of these simple people. So that's why we request them to construct the roads and provide whatever the facilities that comes from the government to the people living here in that Achomkimi village.
Guys, everyone, finally we reached to our own way, returning back from
Amri constituency.
country.
So finally,
Bye bye Jinhong. Now we are coming to
Amri.
Amri.
So we finally reached to our constituency's Amri, visiting one of the oldest village, Achomkimi, belongs to Chentong constituency, which is something 65 years plus village where they don't get any government facilities. So we happen to visit that particular village today.